Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can install a new font to Microsoft Word or add a new font to Microsoft Word. Just search for your font. For example, I want to add 12 Acroty image, just free download. This one, 12 Acroty image regular. Click it. Here we have download font. Just click it. My download is done. Click this folder icon. This one, right click, extract to here. Great. Now just double click on it, double click again, just copy this file, control copy, then come to disk C, Windows, double click on it. Here we have fonts. Find this file, double click on it, just control V. This one, 12 accurate image regular. That is the font I've just added. Now open Microsoft Word. From here you can search for it. 12 accurate image. You see this one, 12 accurate image I have just added. If you found this video helpful, like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice time.